Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to transform your life in just 5 minutes? Then you've come to the right place. Today we'll show you how to make small changes that lead to big results. So let's dive in. First, quick cuts showing common junk food scenarios. A hand reaching for a bag of potato chips, a person drinking a soda, a fast food burger. Immediately juxtapose these with healthier alternatives. A hand picking up an apple from a fruit bowl, a glass of water with lemon, a fresh salad. Next, transition to a bright, modern studio where a friendly DanceFit instructor demonstrates simple, quick, and easy-to-follow DanceFit moves. Use a split-screen effect. On one side, a person looks tired or sluggish. On the other, the same person looks energetic and smiles. Now let's talk about making smarter food choices. It doesn't mean deprivation, it means nourishing your body with wholesome goodness. Imagine swapping that greasy burger for a vibrant salad, a juicy chicken breast with a side of quinoa instead of French fries. And yes, treats are okay occasionally, but why not treat yourself to a refreshing fruit salad instead of a heavy, sugary dessert? Small changes, big impact. Now it's time to move. Just 5 minutes of DanceFit can turn your day around. As the DanceFit instructor guides you through a 60-second mini workout, highlight the benefits on screen. Boost energy, improve mood, and burn calories. It's not about breaking a sweat. It's about feeling good. The magic doesn't stop there. Watch as the energy in the room shifts and the participants beam with smiles from ear to ear. It's contagious. Soon, everyone is caught up in the rhythm and having the time of their lives. Their laughter echoes through the studio, a testament to the joy found in movement. As the montage continues, we see glimpses of post-workout radiance, a nutritious meal shared among friends, and the serenity of meditation amidst nature's embrace. Each scene reinforces the positive impact of these small, consistent choices. In a world where quick fixes are often glorified, DanceFit stands out as a beacon of sustainable well-being. It's about forming habits that stick, not resorting to fad diets or extreme workouts. The testimonials that follow underscore this philosophy. Real people, real stories, real transformations. As the video progresses, a series of short, impactful video testimonials from real people or actors portraying real people appear. They share their positive experiences with healthy habits and DanceFit. Examples: I never thought I'd love working out, but DanceFit made it fun. My energy levels are through the roof since I started prioritizing my health. DanceFit changed my life. I feel stronger, happier, and more energetic than ever before. Throughout the testimonials, subtle branding of the DanceFit logo can be shown in the background or as a lower third graphic, reinforcing the program's identity. Interspersed with the testimonials are close-up shots of fresh, appealing, colorful, healthy food being prepared, slicing vibrant vegetables, blending a smoothie, or plating a salmon dish. These shots serve as visual reminders of the importance of nourishing one's body with wholesome meals. But the true essence of DanceFit shines through in the final montage. Here we see a diverse group of people moving, smiling, laughing, and living life to the fullest, embodying the healthy and vibrant lifestyle that DanceFit promotes. And that's it. With a few simple changes, you too can transform your life. Remember, it's not about drastic measures. It's about consistent, positive choices that make a lasting impact. As the energetic music swells, it's clear that DanceFit isn't just a workout. It's a celebration of life, movement, and the joy of feeling fantastic. If you want to be part of this vibrant community, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Start your journey today and join the DanceFit community. Thank you for watching, stay healthy, and keep dancing.